This is the Virhuck V04. It's a 124 scale buggy, 2.4 gigahertz, and they claim it has a top speed of 9 miles per hour, which is not very fast, but it is proportional. So let's take a look inside, and well, there it is. You get two batteries. They're the NiCad batteries. They're 3.6 volt, 700 milliamp hours. They charge with this USB plug. Comes with a screwdriver. Everything else is securely fastened inside the box. Here we have the user manual, and then a warranty card. So the screwdriver is for two different things. You can use it to open up the controller, which requires two AA batteries. So the screwdriver is not only for the controller, but it's also to get the car out of the packaging. There is the car. It looks like the suspension is just these. This looks like they're non-functioning because these suspension arms here don't pivot at all. They are in a fixed position. In the back here, it's a single axle, but each side has a shock. Also, your screwdriver you can use for opening the bottom and putting the battery in. So right there, the battery goes in, and you plug it right there. You have your on off switch there. Your steering trim is right here. So yeah, there you have it. I'm gonna charge these batteries up, and then once they're charged up, we're ready to run. All right, we got the Virhuck V04, or also known as Lightning Buggy, but here it is. Got it all charged up, and we'll power it on, power that on. Let's see if, I think the speed is proportional. It's barely proportional. There's like low throttle and there's full throttle, but like there's not much in between there. And then let's check the steering here. The steering is non-proportional. It just, but let's see what it has for speed. So, okay, so I do have to trim it up. It wants to go to the left a little bit. Let's try this. Now it wants to go to the right. So that's one thing I don't like about little manual trims. No. Okay, so it's not very fast. It does look pretty cool though. And now it wants to pull to the left. Just can't get these things straight. So it doesn't have a lot of throttle punch. It takes quite a while to get up to speed. So you have to constantly steer to the right because it's wanting to pull to the left. Try and straighten this out. I just can't find that happy medium anywhere. All right, I give up on that because just can't get it trimmed perfectly straight. As you can see, this is clearly, well, I'm stuck in the grass. Made too wide of a turn. It doesn't have a really tight turning radius. Although it does want to spin out when you turn hard there. Seems when I turn left, it wants to just spin the back around. But when I turn right, and that could be because of the trimming issue, maybe it so this thing clearly is not meant for anything other than blacktop. Here, I'll take it in the grass, and well, let's find some stone here. We have some stone. Let's see how well it does in the stone. Okay, well, it almost pretty much does nothing. So I would just keep it on a paved surface or a concrete surface. I wouldn't even bother trying to drive it anywhere else. That was the Virhuck V04. This is definitely meant for a little kid. It's not all that fast. It's a great beginner. One nice thing I liked about it was it came with 2 batteries, so that just doubles the fun right there. And here is the next RC coming on the channel. It is going to be so the Eachine H8 is going to be the next RC on the channel. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't already. Hit me with a thumbs up, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.